Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to AnkiNish Creations. Today I will be sharing a very simple waste glass bottle decor idea inspired from Dot Mandala, which can be converted into a lamp, a lucky bamboo plant holder, or just as a home decor. So let's get started. So taking a waste glass bottle and a thick white acrylic paint, I will paint on this bottle with this sponge so that I can get a frosty kind of an effect. I have been shooting a lot of videos lately, so to free up some space in my memory card, I accidentally deleted this frost painting part, which I realized while editing this video. Luckily, I had another same bottle, so I shot this part again just on the day of uploading this video. And things like this happens a lot of time. And this is how it looks after drying. Now I am taking this thick gold paint and a round foam brush to make some gold circles on the bottle. Because of the thick paint and foam brush, the paint will have this kind of rough texture on the bottle. The gold paint has dried, I am placing this eraser on one side of the bottle so that the bottle does not move while painting. And then I'll start painting some very simple design of Dot Mandala on top of this gold paint using neon acrylic paints and black acrylic paint. Once I am done painting Dot Mandalas, I am making more gold circles a little bit smaller than previous one to fill in some gaps in the bottle and finish the look. And this is how this bottle decor turned out. To convert it into a bottle lamp, you can insert this battery operated fairy lights in the bottle and tada, a bottle lamp is ready. How I am planning to use this bottle decor is to keep my lucky bamboo plant in it which grows in water, and this is how it looks. I really hope you all liked this video. Hit that like button if you did and comment down below your thoughts on it. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Love being creative. Thank you so much for watching.